Alright, what's happening, guys? It's the Stock Guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube. And today I'm going to be doing a quick trade recap. I wasn't really planning on doing this video. I was just going to post the trade recap on my Instagram. But the way that things went down when I was selling it, I thought that there would be some value to making a video about it. So here I am. So let's do a quick breakdown of the trade. It was on TRI. Now, I took this position yesterday as a swing trade, because we had this nice dip to this SMA line here, and we see this has happened 1, 2, 3 times already. So I figured it was a good buy point. So I got in yesterday, hoping to sell right at around the 68 mark. I think it's going to give me just over 2% if I sold at the 68, or yeah, $68. So let's jump down to this. I'll show you exactly where I got in. I think I got in somewhere right around here, right? So if I could ride this up to 68, this is going to give me just over 2%, right? So today it got to 67, 90, and I'm looking at my phone, getting ready to sell this thing, and I'm at 1.99% profit. So my whole thing is I like to, every trade that I take, every position that I hold, I want it to give me 1% per day. So if I take a day trade, obviously I want to make 1% on a day trade. And if I take a swing trade for maybe 3 days, then I want to make 3% off that trade. So I held it since yesterday, so basically 2 days to having the trade. So I wanted to make that 2%. And guys, I'm at 1.99% right here, right? Looking to sell, I'm like, nah, I need that 2%. And then obviously you can see it gets rejected, and I end up selling right around here for like 1.4%. But it was still a decent trade. I'll get a little bit into technical analysis in a sec, but what I want to show is, guys, you can't be greedy when it comes to this. The market doesn't care about my 1% per day. I should have just seen where it was at, that it was hitting resistance and sold, but I didn't. I was really trying to get my little 1% per day, and having that kind of mindset, trying to hit like a whole dollar value or something like that, that's just going to get you burned in the stock market. You can't be greedy, so I should have taken profits, and this is kind of like a warning video almost. Guys, pigs get slaughtered in the stock market, so we cannot be greedy. So I hope you guys all took something from that. And before I go, let me just do like a quick breakdown of this trade. So usually you see me trade the ABCD pattern, which is like my favorite pattern. This obviously isn't the ABCD pattern right here, but this is more of a mean regression trade. So what I see is a nice uptrend, right? And I see that the price at this area is not really where it should be. Just like where it was here, here, and here. It's too far below where it really should be. The fact that it's hitting this SMA and it never really does, it always just goes up, goes to show me that the price is too low. So knowing that the average price is usually higher, I bought in on this dip, assuming that the price would have to correct itself at least a little bit, and that is what happened. That's why I took the trade. So just to give you guys an idea, there's really like 2 patterns that I trade. This is the one right here, the mean regression, and then the ABCD pattern. So guys, I hope that you guys all got a little value from this video. I'm sure you guys have already heard, like, don't be greedy, but this just goes to show, I mean, I'm still green, which is at least good, but, it always, eats away at you a little bit when you could have made a little more, right? So, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please drop it a like. Any suggestions or future videos you want me to make, go ahead and drop a comment or shoot me a DM on Instagram. My handle is the Stock Guru, TH3 Stock Guru on Instagram. And if any of you guys want to join like a nice trading community, be able to share ideas and hear what everybody else is thinking about, looking at, I have a free Discord chat, so you guys can just hit me up and I'll send you the link for that. It's completely free, and it's really just for strong traders to all come together and be able to share ideas and share that positivity. So I hope you guys like the video, and I'm out.